Rosemary's alliance with brain health is no folktale. Its rich phytochemistry includes compounds like rosmarinic acid, which can enhance mood and mental clarity. For those battling stress, rosemary offers a natural remedy, potentially lowering cortisol levels and easing the mind. One interesting aspect of rosemary is its historical association with memory and focus. This link goes back to ancient times, with students in ancient Greece wearing rosemary garlands during exams. Modern research supports this traditional use, highlighting rosemary's cognitive benefits. Its rich phytochemical profile, especially compounds like 1,8-cineol, contributes to these effects, making rosemary a fascinating subject in both historical and contemporary studies of herbal nootropics. This fragrant botanical wields a bouquet of health benefits. It's antimicrobial, battles inflammation, and acts as a guardian with its antioxidant powers. When it comes to the brain, rosemary doesn't shy away. It stands as a protector with neuroprotective properties, influencing learning, memory, and mood. In this video, Very OK will unveil the top 5 benefits of rosemary, each one a key to unlocking a healthier life. And as a bonus, we'll share 5 mouth-watering recipes that will not only please your palate but also enhance your well-being. So before we reveal these transformative facts and recipes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Very OK. Your support helps us uncover more natural wonders and share life-impacting knowledge. Imagine a time when ancient scholars crowned themselves with rosemary wreaths, believing it a tonic for the mind. In kitchens of old, a sprig of rosemary was more than flavor. It was a spell for wellness, whispered in steam and savored in dishes that warmed the heart and soothed the spirit. Today, science has dressed these old tales in new truths, confirming what the ancients always felt. Rosemary is a key not just to a feast of flavors but to a fortified mind. Top 5 benefits of rosemary. Number 5. Cognitive enhancement. Rosemary has been shown to improve memory and concentration, likely due to its aromatic compounds that have a stimulating effect on the brain. Number 4. Stress reduction. The herb has properties that can help lower cortisol levels, thereby reducing stress and anxiety, making it beneficial for mental well-being. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary contains anti-inflammatory compounds which can help in reducing inflammation in the body, beneficial for various health conditions. Number 2. Antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants, rosemary can protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, supporting overall health. Number 1. Neuroprotective qualities. It possesses neuroprotective properties, which can potentially guard against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, improving overall brain health. Brain health. Rosemary contains compounds that stimulate brain function, enhancing mood, memory, and overall cognitive performance. It's particularly effective in improving memory and focus, especially in the elderly. Neuroprotective properties. A key ingredient in rosemary, carnosic acid, targets free radical damage in the brain. It's protective against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and is useful in guarding the hippocampus against beta-amyloid-induced neurodegeneration, a key factor in Alzheimer's development. Concentration and memory. Research has shown that rosemary enhances concentration and memory levels. It contains 1,8-cineol, which improves cognitive performance in humans. Here are 5 simple and delicious rosemary-infused recipes. 1. Rosemary garlic chicken. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 sprigs fresh rosemary, salt and pepper. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Rub chicken with olive oil, garlic, chopped rosemary, salt, and pepper. Place in a baking dish and top with rosemary sprigs. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until chicken is cooked through. 2. Rosemary roasted potatoes. Ingredients: for large potatoes, cubed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh rosemary, salt and pepper. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Toss potatoes with olive oil, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Spread on a baking sheet and roast for 35 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally, until golden and crispy. 3. Rosemary Lemon Tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon fresh rosemary leaves, 1 cup boiling water, juice of 1/2 lemon, honey to taste. Instructions: steep rosemary in boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and add lemon juice and honey. Stir well and enjoy warm. 4. Rosemary-infused olive oil. Ingredients: 1 cup olive oil, 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary. Instructions: gently heat olive oil and rosemary in a saucepan over low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Let cool, then strain into a bottle. Use for dressings, marinades, or as a dipping oil. 5. Rosemary and Parmesan focaccia. Ingredients: 1 pound pizza dough, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, chopped, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Roll out dough on a baking sheet. Brush with olive oil and sprinkle with rosemary, Parmesan, and salt. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Indulged in the aromatic world of rosemary with our recipes? If you savored every bit of this herb-infused journey, show your support by hitting the like button and share these fragrant secrets with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Very OK for more delicious and healthful culinary adventures. Your engagement helps us bring the best of nature's kitchen to your screens. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep enjoying the flavors of life.